Hi there. Thanks for joining us. We're Ray and Corinne, a husband and wife real estate team with the Neal Neal Team at eXp Realty. We're proud to serve San Antonio and the surrounding areas with local expertise, modern tools, and personal service. Our goal is simple: to make buying a home as smooth, stress-free, and rewarding as possible for you. We take the time to listen, plan strategically, and deliver results you can trust. Let's get started on your journey home together. Let's talk about why we chose eXp Realty. eXp is the fastest growing independent real estate brokerage in the world, leading the industry in transactions, volume, and agent count. With its cloud-based model, we get cutting-edge technology, training, and global reach, meaning you get better service, faster responses, and access to properties around the world. Our tools let us focus more on you and your needs, giving you a truly personalized home buying experience. We're excited to bring all these resources to work for you. We're also proud members of the Neal Neal Team. Founded by twin brothers Clint and Shane Neal in 2010, this team is San Antonio's top residential real estate group, known for professionalism, honesty, and results. They've been ranked on number 1 by the San Antonio Business Journal and earned many industry awards. The team approach means you get expert advice, exceptional service, and a seamless experience from start to finish. We believe in making lifelong relationships, not just quick sales, and that's what sets us apart. So why work with us as your dedicated buyer's agents? First, you get market expertise, over a decade of local experience with strategies tailored to your goals. Second, you get advocacy and negotiation skills to help you with price, repairs, contingencies, and concessions. Third, you get access to a network of resources, market data, trusted vendors, and legal experts. And finally, you get clear communication. We'll coordinate everything among the many people involved so you don't have to stress. Our entire process is built around you and your why. Let's walk through what the home buying journey looks like step by step. First, you'll get pre-approved with a lender so you know your budget. Next, we'll meet to discuss your needs. Then, we'll tour homes and fine-tune your criteria. When you find the one, we'll make an offer using research and strategy. After going under contract, we'll help you through the option period for inspections and repairs. Your lender will order an appraisal to confirm value. Then you'll finalize your loan, do a final walkthrough, and on closing day, sign documents and get your keys. We're with you every step of the way. A critical first step in buying a home is getting pre-approved. This tells you exactly what you can afford and makes you a strong buyer when you're ready to make an offer. Be sure to avoid things that can jeopardize your loan approval, like buying or leasing a car, making major purchases, switching jobs, missing payments, or moving money between accounts. Lenders usually check your credit one last time before closing. Getting pre-approved saves time, helps customize your offer, and lets us act fast when you find the one. Let's talk about the most common loan types you might consider. Conventional loans are popular for strong credit buyers with 3 to 20% down. FHA loans are great for first-time buyers with as little as 3.5% down and flexible credit requirements. VA loans are for veterans, offering 0 down with no mortgage insurance. And USDA loans help buyers in eligible rural areas, also with 0 down. Each loan type has different terms, credit score requirements, and insurance rules. Will help you find the right option for you and your budget. Let's talk about what you'll pay out of pocket. Early costs include your option fee of around $100 to $200 and earnest money of about 1% of the sales price, both due within a few days of going under contract. You'll also pay for the inspection, which is typically $450 to $600, and the appraisal, which is usually $600 to $700. At closing, you'll pay your down payment plus about 3 to 4 months of taxes and insurance for your escrow account. Title fees are generally around $500. Lender fees usually range from $1,300 to $1,900, and there's also a transaction fee of $595. A good rule of thumb: plan for about 3.5% of the home price in closing costs overall. We'll walk you through all these numbers in detail for your specific situation. Crafting the right offer is one of the most important parts of buying a home. As your agents, we research recent comparable sales, days on market, pricing trends, and any needed adjustments. We also consider your purchasing power and any special circumstances unique to you. On average, our buying clients save about 6% overall. That often includes approximately 3% off the list price, around $7,700 in seller concessions, and about $600 in home warranty value. We'll work hard to make sure your offer stands out while always protecting your interests and budget. Once you're under contract, there are key steps to navigate. The option period gives you time for inspections and negotiation of any major repairs. It's your chance to do due diligence without committing fully. After that, the appraisal ensures the home's value justifies the loan amount. You'll also secure homeowner's insurance to protect your investment. It's required before closing. We'll guide you through each of these steps, explain what to expect, and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Our goal is a smooth, stress-free closing. We know every buyer's situation is unique, so we offer access to special programs. Sell Before You List lets you sell your home directly for cash without going on the market. And if it resells for more, you keep the extra profit. Buy Before You Sell helps you make a strong cash-backed offer before selling your current home. Buy with Cash lets you use Homeward's funds for better negotiating power, and a cash-backed offer guarantees to the seller that Homeward will buy if your deal falls through. We'll help you decide if one of these options is right for you. So what's next? We'll send over the buyer's representation document so we can legally represent you and start touring homes. We'll connect you with mortgage lenders to shop for the best rates and closing costs. We'll also set up a customized home search for you to see and save properties as they hit the market. Plus, we'll get you connected on Zillow to easily share homes you want to see. From there, we'll start finding the home of your dreams together. We're excited to get started with you. Before we finish, here's how you can easily stay connected with us. We're Ray and Corinne with the Neal Neal Team at eXp Realty in San Antonio. If you have any questions at all, please call or text us anytime at 210-585-2979. You can also email us directly at ray@nealteam.com or corinne@nealteam.com. For even more resources and listings, visit our website at homesforsaleinsanantonio.com. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms to stay up to date on market tips, new listings, and everything you need to know about buying your next home. Thanks so much for listening. We truly can't wait to help you find your dream home.